Hey everybody, this is Mark with Mark's Home Hobbies. How you doing on this Father's Day? I'm doing pretty good. Will you look at that? There's something you don't see every day. There's a Creality SLA dip style printer. Yeah, I guess I was a good dad. Yeah, so somebody went and bought me a present so I can make some really good 3D printed stuff. Yeah. There's the hay bike Mars right there. There's a big pile of wire we got the other day. And let's just take a look over here. Not that this video is going to be about the hay bike Mars or anything. It's more about the 3D printer that's over there. But let's just take a look. Hay bike Mars is all cleaned up now. We took a power washer to her the other day there. Let's take a look at something else though that we got sitting here. Looky there, we got us a new seat. That there's a Cloud 9. Yeah, she rides pretty good now. Got a new seat post up under there. You can see that. That's the suspension seat post. Yeah. It's another Father's Day present there. Extra wide, low profile, easy access, waterproof, memory foam. Perfect complement to the hay bike Mars 20-inch folding fat tire e-bike. It's got 1,300 miles on it now. You can see there's the equipment I use. Water bottle, some gloves, toolbox, a pen, writing down numbers, and wire cutters. And a pair of sunglasses, aviator style, polarized. The main thing is this Creality LD002R. This is not the high performance one that they had for $250. This is the lower one, but I figure this is all we really need to do the type of work that we're going to be doing. The only problem with this printer is that I hear that they really stink when you use them. They make awful smell. So we'll be using this out here in the garage most likely. And we also bought some special liquid resin for it that cures in warm water. So instead of having to take everything out in the sunlight and cure it out there, we'll be able to do it with warm water, hopefully. So that should be better. Which means it's a lot safer too. If it cuts with water, then it's probably safer if you happen to get some on you or get some somewhere that you don't want to get it. Probably could get that off a little easier. So we're going to go on that for right now. But this little printer right here, yeah, this guy ticks a lot of the boxes for me. So that's the one we ended up with. Alright, I don't want to make this video too long. Hopefully I'll show you some parts coming out of here. Got some big plans for this guy, among other things. So if you want to see all that, please like, subscribe, share, comment. Above all else, please subscribe if you haven't. That would help me out a lot. And I'm not begging you or anything like that, but I need to get to 1,000 subscribers. And I need to show people some cool stuff. So this right here, I think if I show you some videos about this will be kind of cool too, especially the stuff that I'm going to create with it. You're really not going to believe it. So stay tuned. It's Mark with Mark's Home Hobbies. Catch you in the next one.